believe in love. Oh, wala tayo talent sa kanta, guys. Mag-vlog tayo, guys. Okay, Sir Javi, shake, shake, shake. Kumusta ang mga taong bayan? Kumusta? Laban lang tayo dito, ha? Okay, fight, fight, fight. Okay, shout out muna natin yung mga followers natin. Okay, shout out. Laban lang tayo mga students. Walang susuko dito, okay? Do not give up. Now, ituturo ni Sir Javi, guys, on how to differentiate this given equation. Y is equal to ln quantity of 2x times sin x. Dito, it seems like complicated because mayroon tayong trigonometric function na sine. Okay? But always remember, guys, kapag ln, for example, ln x, kapag kukunin natin yung derivative nito, dy over dx, ang formula, for example, let u natin si x. So, ang formula lang is u prime over u. So, ang derivative ng x, di ba, is 1 over ux. So, therefore, ang derivative ni ln x is 1 over x. Gagamitin natin ito, guys, to solve this one. Because this is ln, natural logarithmic function, okay? Laging tandaan, derivative ng ln x is 1 over x, okay? Now, sagutan natin ito, Sir Javi. Una, i-let u natin si 2x sin x. Di ba yung formula is u prime over u kapag ln, tama? U prime over u. Therefore, kunin muna natin yung derivative ni 2x sin x. So, dalawang function yan, 2x and sin x. Ang gagamitin natin, product rule of differentiation. Ang formula lang is u prime v plus v prime u. So, i-let u natin si 2x, then derivative niya u prime is 2. I-let v natin si sin x, then ang derivative ni sin x is cosine x. Ang gagawin natin dito, Sir Javi, i-substitute natin sa formula. Okay? So, yung u prime natin is 2. Tama? So, 2. Yung v natin is sin x. Plus, yung v prime natin is cosine x. Yung u natin is 2x. Okay? Over u, di ba? 2x sin x. Dito sa Javi, we can still factor out this one. Okay, ilagay lang natin 2 sin x plus 2x cosine x. That is the same because that is commutative multiplication. Okay? Dito, we can still factor out our numerator. That is dy over dx. We can still factor out our numerator. They have common 2. So, lagay natin si 2 sa labas. 2 sin x plus x cosine x over, factor out the denominator, x sin x. This one is cancelled out. Ang natira, so ang sagot natin dito is our answer, dy over dx is sin x plus x cosine x over x sin x. Okay? I hope may dadagdag tayong kaalaman on how to solve derivative kapag mayroong natural logarithmic functions. Okay? Yung sagot natin, dy over dx is equal to sin x plus x cosine x over x sin x. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.